Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and remove and add reels from your profile grid. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what we're going to do, we're simply going to go ahead, open up our Instagram app. Once we have opened up our Instagram app, what we're going to do is we're simply going to go ahead, tap on this profile icon that will be given below right corner. Once we have tapped on it, we'll simply be able to find here in our profile the option of grid, Instagram grid, and then this reel icon, right? So you can see we have our reels over here. So if you go to our profile, go to this Instagram grid option, and then once it's simply go ahead, refresh once, and then you can see we have our reel, right? We're going to go ahead, tap on our reel. We're going to tap on this three dot icon given on top right corner, and we're going to tap on this option called remove from profile grid. Again, we're going to confirm it, and then it will be removed from our profile like that. If you go back, we won't be able to find it over here. And if you want to add it, then we can go to this reel option given, and then we're simply going to go refresh once, and then we will have the reel that we just removed from our grid over here. We can tap on it, tap on this three dot given below, and then we're going to tap on this option called manage given here, and tap on this add to profile grid option. And if you do that, we can again go back, go to our grid, and then you can see that that particular reel is over here again. So this is basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. If you got more question, you can simply go ahead, comment right there below. We'll simply make sure to check it out, and I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.